हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे आंसर की के बारे में। जो जनरल इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम आज हुआ था बीजी सेकंड सेमेस्टर के लिए, आज यानी कि 7 सितंबर को। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, पिको आयर इज़ ए ब्रिटिश एसेइस्ट। Question number two, why we travel, Ayer quotes from the essay The Philosophy of Travel, which is written by George Santayana. It's question number 7. In the essay Why We Travel, the best trips are compared to the best love affairs. One of the places given below is described by Pico Ayer as the most authoritarian. It's North Korea. Santayana believed that travel can keep the mind nimble, kill prejudice, foster humor, all of these. Let's move ahead and we'll go to the next. Pico Ayer maintains that traveling allows us to see all of these. Pico Ayer maintains that travel disrupts us, simplifies us, emancipates us, all of the above. According to Pico Ayer, travel, at least for a moment, makes us transcend our past or future. The first great joy of traveling, according to Ayer, is simply the luxury of leaving all beliefs and certainties at home. Ayer says, we travel then in search of both self and anonymity. What does the anonymity word mean? Freedom from being judged, leaving behind our material status, freedom from being labeled, all of these. Then we will move to the next. A man never goes far when he doesn't know where he is going. The line here is by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Travel shows us all the parts of ourselves that might otherwise grow rusty. Moving ahead to the next page, it's question number 13. The world that Pico Ayer describes in his essay is technologically advanced, highly mobile, multicultural. तो इसका आएगा D. Why did Pico believe that romantic poets inaugurated an era of travel? Because they were the apostles of open eye. Everything has upset me again this morning, so I was not able to finish a single thing properly. Anne is upset because of the war between Germans and Allies. Diary writing is mostly personal, autobiographical, focuses on author's own growth. तो D आएगा इसका. Anne died before she could reach the age of 16. Who discovered Anne's diary? It's his father. Anne started writing her diary when she was 13. No one is able to keep out of it. The whole globe is waging war, although it is going to be better for allies. The end is not yet in sight. Who were allies? It was United States, Britain, France and Soviet Union. A part आएगा इसका. The Diary of a Young Girl, written by Anne Frank, deals with all of these. The Diary of Anne Frank can be treated as containing Anne's personal events, containing historical events of Nazi, to both A and B. According to one of anti-Jewish laws, the Jewish people were made to wear a yellow star. Anne Frank she was a Jew, and regards her hiding as a dangerous adventure. We are opposite in everything, so naturally we are bound to run up against each other. Who are we being referred to here? See आएगा इसका, Anne and her mother. What reason did Anne give for writing a diary? It's because she had no real friend. What name does Anne give to her diary? It's Kitty, Kitty. After the arrival of Germans in Holland, Jews were forced to remain indoors by 8 o'clock. In the poem Digging, one of the following things that speaker brings for his grandfather is a bottle of milk. Anne thought that people will not be interested in the unbosomings of a 13-year-old girl. The word unbosoming means to all of these. In the poem Digging, the speaker compares digging with writing. I will dig with it. It here refers to speaker's pen. Mahmoud Darwish was a Palestinian. Margaret Atwood is a Canadian poet. The poem Identity Card can be read as all of these. Atwood is she is poet and as well as novelist. The poem ID card overtly carries the theme of all of these. The central theme of the poem, this is a photograph of me, is all of these. The poem identity card is written in the form of conversation. What does the word eagle mean? It means the black cord worn around the head. The poem, this is a photograph of me, is written in free verse. Seamus Heaney was an Irish poet. The poem, this is a photograph of me, turns from a simple description of a photograph in this first stanza into terrible revelation of speaker's death. The poem digging brings dash setting into reader's mind, तो इसका आएगा D. The poem, this we did this. Next, Juten, A Dalit's Life was originally written in Hindi. Juten, A Dalit's Life can be read as all of these D part I guess ka. Which of the following was true of Sukhbir? Both A and C. He had 2 sons and he had bought a buffalo for his family. And one of the characters from the choices given below is Christian by religion, Sivakram. What were some of the changes that had taken place at the Inter College? Both A and C. After reading the extract, which emotions can you associate with the narrator? All of these. One of the characters in Juten had developed a boil on his belly, Sukhan Singh. During harvest time, laborers from the untouchable castes would protest against their miserly wages. In Juten, one of the characters was nicknamed as Munshiji. It's the narrator. At the wedding of Sukhdev Singh Tyagi's daughter, Valmiki's mother asserted her dignity by emptying the food basket in front of Sukhdev. In the novel Juten, the reapers would get 1 sheep out of 21. How long did the headmaster make Valmiki sweep the playground? It's 3 days. Who emerges as an heroic figure from the story? Both A and B, Valmiki's mother as well as his sister-in-law. Surendra's compliment on delicious food served by Valmiki's wife made her happy. Juten, A Dalit's Life is a novel. Now this is the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button and hit the subscribe button also. Thanks for watching.